49% of Canadian e-commerce orders come from the US. This highlights the existing demand for your products. What's even better, the strong US dollar makes buying from Canadian businesses more attractive and affordable for American shoppers. Lastly, the US has a high duty-free threshold of 800 USD per customer per day, making it easier for your customers to buy from the Canadian business without any additional duties or taxes, saving them the headache. Are you ready to expand? Here's what to consider. Number 1, know your shipping restrictions. Not all products can enter the US freely. If you're thinking of selling food, the FDA has specific regulations. Understanding these rules, including prior notice submissions, labeling requirements, and inspections, is all crucial. At eShipper, we're one of the few companies that can help ship your complex products with our FDA-approved cross-border solutions. Number 2, choose the right shipping partner. Here at eShipper, we've been helping businesses grow into the US for over 24 years. With our expertise, we can guide you through every step, including navigating the customs clearance process. Number 3, optimize your shipping costs. Typically, when you ship to the US, you pay international shipping rates, which can be quite high and make it harder to compete with US-based businesses. With eShipper, you can avoid these higher costs, allowing you to get competitive cross-border shipping rates and maximize your profits. Book a free consultation today to learn how eShipper can help streamline your operations and reduce your costs.